Abu Sa'id, the slave freed by Mahri, states that when the inhabitants of Medina Munawwara suffered from famine and straitened circumstances, Mahri came to Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu and submitted, I have a large family and I am facing straitened circumstances, so I wish to take my family to some lush green area. Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu said, do not do so and do not migrate from Medina Munawwara, for once we went on a journey along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When we reached Usfan, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam stayed there for some nights. The people said, here we have nothing and there is no one behind to watch over our kids, so we do not feel reassured in their connection. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was also notified of it. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, what kind of statements are reaching me from you? The reporter says, I do not know what words he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, by him in whose possession my life stays, if you wish, I would pass orders to litter up the she camel and would not untie its knot unless I reach Medina Munawwara. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam declared Makkah Mukarramah a sanctuary, and I make Medina Munawwara a sanctuary. The sanctuary is in between its two mountains. Neither blood must be shed here, nor weapons must be carried for fighting here. Leaves must not be cut off the trees for any other purpose except for fodder. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, bless us in our Medina Munawwara. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, bless us in our Sa. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, bless us in our Mad. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, bless us in our Sa. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, bless us in our Medina Munawwara. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, shower on it twice the blessing of Makkah Mukarramah. By him in whose possession my soul stays, two angels live on each pass and mountain path of Medina Munawwara and guard it until you return. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said to the people, depart. We then set out and proceeded towards Medina Munawwara. By him in whose oath we take, after reaching Medina Munawwara, we had not still taken our luggage down when the Ghatfanis attacked us, though no discontentment was found among them. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3323.